Welcome back to my channel. This is the Jag hooked up to my big screen and the amp. Let's do it. S-Video. Pretty good picture with S-Video. That sucks. There's no lag. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. There's no lag. I thought there was going to be some lag, but there's no lag whatsoever. Picture's pretty sharp. Man. And with the spinner controller, this is truly the way to play Tempest 2000. Yeah, no lag. Oh man, buttery smooth spinner. This is a winner with the spinner. Woohoo! This is awesome. I can sit back in my chair right over there and my big recliner and really sit down with this. All right, yeah, this is super awesome. Oops, wrong button. Yeah, I had this TV out in the work area. Now it's here in the chill room. Oh, this spinner controller is so nice. Oh, I should have got that. Yep, spinner controller and special video cable from Best Electronics that affects the video cable from Best Electronics helps the red, cures the red bleed, and the S-Video really makes a big difference on this big screen TV. Anyway, super happy. Thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna upload this video and really sit down with this and give it a go. Anyway, thanks for watching. Tempest 2000 rocks. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.